Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your headphones Philips keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend to disable dual connection. You need to open Philips headphones application. Of course, you need to your headphones should be connected with the app, and then you will see the same menu. Go to the settings at the right bottom, and at the top, the first line, we have multi-point connection. Tap at the slider near to it to disable it, because with this mode, sometimes you may have connection instability. Okay, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to turn off your headphones firstly. So, at the right ear cup, near to USB-C port, we have power button, press and hold it. Now we just turn off them, your headphones now disconnected, then we need to turn on them by press and hold power button again. Your headphones should reconnect to your phone automatically, but sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. So go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and then tap at your headphones right here as the device list, and your headphones should reconnect to your phone. Next step, if the software reset didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset, and it's pretty simple at this. Headphones, all you need to do is just press and hold simultaneously ambient sound control button and power button until the LED light starts flashing blue and white. So press and hold. Here we go. Now we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click Forget this device or Forget device or Unpair, or maybe you have Remove button and Forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have Refresh button, you need to tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. You need to tap at your headphones, and we just reconnect them. Now you need to check if this problem fixed. If it doesn't, I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once we did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. And firstly, I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find the similar path to these settings. Okay, so on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to the General settings. So tap at the General line, scroll down. Right here at the bottom we have Transfer or Reset iPhone line. Click at this line, then Reset. In this window you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. Now write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, then we need to go to the System. So scroll down, click at the System. Right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have Reset Options. So you need to scroll down, click at the Reset Options. Right here, select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. and click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!